Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are diving into a makeup tutorial, but this is a little bit of a twist. So in today's video we are doing palette bingo, which is a fun game that has been around YouTube for a little bit, and the basic concept is you pick a palette, random shades in that palette, and you try to create an overall look. Try being the main word here. We're gonna try. So in today's video, we are doing this in collaboration with two other lovely ladies here on YouTube, and we are all three using the Abh and Norvina collection palette. Now this is volume 3, and I have only used this once, so I'm super excited to get to dive into this palette again. And yeah, so if you are interested to see what random shades I have and what kind of look we can create, then please stay tuned and let's jump into this video. Said, I am collaborating with two other lovely ladies, first being Riri. So Riri approached me on Instagram and asked if I would join this collaboration, and I was just so humbled, so thank you so much for inviting me. This is super fun. So Riri has a channel of her own, and I will leave the links to both ladies in this video and down in the description box, so please make sure you go check them out. But Riri's channel is amazing. She has the most heartfelt intro in her videos. I don't know if it's the pictures or the music or just like the combination of both, but her videos, like literally my heart is like attached as soon as I press play. They are amazing. She has done so well through the month of October doing some Halloween looks. They were on point, you guys, on point. She does really fun unboxings, and I just love her vibe, her attitude. It's very spunky, it's very fun, and I honestly have been loving her channel. And then we have Christine. Now Christine's channel is called FabFit Mama, and I met her through some FabFitFun unboxings. That's how I was introduced to her channel, and she is doing a keto lifestyle and is kind of doing like a vlog or documenting her process, her weight loss, her journey. She does amazing unboxings. Her and her daughter do some masks, and they go live sometimes, and also they just put on makeup and just have some fun together. So it's really nice to see their connection and to also just get to know Christine a little bit more. So both of their channels are amazing. They are amazing ladies. So please don't forget to check them out and check the description for their video links. Like I said, in this video we are diving into the Norvina Volume 3 palette and the concept. So Riri picked 5 shades for Christine to use. Christine picked 5 shades for Riri to use. And then they both picked random shades for me to use. So I have my shades. Let's get into it. I haven't looked at this palette and I haven't connected the shade names or the numbers to the palette because I wanted to do this on camera with you guys and just really have like a challenging moment. Now let's go over the 5 random shades that I was given. So first we have B1, which is a metallic aqua. And then we have B3, which is a matte hot flamingo pink. We have C1, which is a metallic sparkling white wine. And then we have C3, which is a matte baked cinnamon. And then we have E2, which is a matte Merlot. Okay. What? What? Okay, so the concept of palette bingo is that you are really challenged and you're just given random shades and you need to make a cohesive look. We're going to try our best. Now, would these be the shades that I would pick for myself for a look? Probably not, but I do love the aspect of just being pushed out of my comfort zone and playing with some makeup, so this was great. And I have not collaborated with Riri or Christine, so this was also like a twofer for me. So let's dive into this look because I have no idea where I'm going. At least I have my brows on. Okay, so to begin this look, we're going to prime our eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. And to begin this look, let's go ahead and start with E2 from the palette. Now this is the Matte Merlot shade, and out of the 5 shades I was given, this is the darkest. So I want to pack this in my outer corner of my eye, and I'm using the Sephora Pro Cream Shadow number 28 brush. Now what I'm doing here is patting on the eyeshadow first, and then going back and just blending out the edges just a little bit. ABH shadows are so pigmented. I absolutely love the color payoff that they give. Okay, and the next shade we're jumping into is C3, which is the Matte Baked Cinnamon, and we'll be using the Sigma E25 blending brush, and I want to apply this right above E2 and blend it out. Now what I'm doing is bringing the shade almost right to my brow, honestly, because I want to just make sure that this looks like a very blended out look. And to create a half cut crease, I'll be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Drug Lord, which is a really nice white, and I will be applying that onto my lid and creating my cut crease. And the next shade we'll be diving into is called B1, and this is a metallic aqua, and we'll be using the Sephora Pro Flat Concealer Brush number 76, packing on the color and just patting it right on top of the Velour Liquid Lipstick. Okay, so next I'm going to add some Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Eyeliner and create a wing look. So for mascara today, we're using the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, giving our top and bottom lashes a good coat. And the next shade I'll be using under my waterline is B3, and this is a matte hot flamingo pink. Okay, so I'll be using the Sephora Pro Flat Concealer Brush number 78 again, looking up and applying this under my waterline. And the last shade that I'll be using for this collab is C1, and C1 is a metallic sparkling white wine shade. And again, I'm going back in with the Pro Flat Concealer Brush from Sephora number 76, and we'll be applying this shade to our inner corner. And to finish off the look, we'll be applying lashes, and today I'll be applying the Spooky Babe Cosmetic lashes in Witchy Vibes. These lashes are honestly so easy to just pop on. The band isn't too thin and it's not too thick either. So I feel like it just, once you place it down, it's perfect. I really love these lashes. So this is the final look. I really did enjoy playing with some colors that I actually haven't dove into in this palette, so that was fun. And it was really great to collaborate with Riri and Christine for the first time, and I really hope that we do it again. This was so fun, so thank you ladies for including me in this collaboration, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So let me know what you think of the look. What other colors or what other combinations would you have done? Would you have gone this route or added different colors different places? So don't forget to check out their videos as well. I've left their links to their videos in the description box, and I will be heading over to their videos as well. I cannot wait to see what kind of look they create with their 5 random shades, and honestly I think this is a cute look. I'm loving it. I think my favorite shade out of all of this would definitely be C1. That is such like a holiday specific type of shade. Like I'm already envisioning a Christmas look with C1 in mind. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending some time with me here on my channel, and if you did like this video, please leave a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post videos to my channel. So thank you guys so much, and that's all I have. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.